You must have been a beautiful baby. You must have been a beautiful child.
Do you
remember Mama saying, drink your milk each day and
you'll grow up with a beautiful smile?
And look at you now, you're a winner. Every move as smooth as silk. Here's to all you beautiful babies drinking beautiful milk.
Hey, baby, drink your milk.
She is what you see. She's what she wears, what she's gotta be. The all-American beauty, Miss Lee. She's got a smile, a certain style that's changing history. The all-American beauty, Miss Lee. Her clothes today, in every way, are her personality. The all-American beauty, Miss Lee.
At Tom Peterson's, the grand opening of our new microwave department with over 100 microwaves on display, just in time for Mother's Day. As advertised in today's Oregonian, not one, not two, not three, but every last microwave in the store on sale. Choose from Linton, Hotpoint, Sanyo, Whirlpool, Panasonic, or this super buy in a full-size Samsung microwave oven. Only $279, and there's only one place to buy a microwave, and that's Tom Peterson's.
Supercuts.
We're changing the way America cuts its hair.
We're the only ones who do it.
A Supercut's the finest you'll get anywhere.
Every time we do it, more than just a haircut, it's right for you. It's for everyone and the price is too. We're changing the way America cuts its hair. Supercuts, Supercuts.
Are you sure Dolan's the one?
We weren't in the beginning.
But he's changed. His attitude's outstanding.
We really think he's ready.
We'll see.
Come in.
Private Dolan reporting, Sergeant.
Dolan, sergeants here tell me they think you'd make a good squad leader. What do you think?
Be all that you can be.
Congratulations,
Dolan.
'Cause we need you in the army.
Who's got aloe vera? Nair's got aloe vera. If you dare go Vera, Nair with aloe vera.
Nair leaves legs smoother, longer than shaving. Cotton rubbed on both legs proves it. The Nair leg is smoother.
If you dare go Vera, Nair with aloe vera.
New Nair with aloe vera and new fragrance Nair with baby oil. Nair.
For smoother legs.
If you think beautiful skin is only something you're born with, get wind of Sea Breeze.
Beautiful skin can be a breeze with Sea Breeze.
The antiseptic invigorates, cleans deep,
Beautiful skin can be a breeze with Sea Breeze.
exhilarates, removes oil and dirt soap can't reach.
Sea Breeze. Beautiful skin can be a breeze
Beautiful.
with Sea Breeze.
Tony, my transparent little friend, I can tell you have a date.
Actually, I'm spending the evening with Agatha Christie.
Why using Close-Up? To sit home and read?
Why not? Close-Up has real mouthwash for fresh breath.
Yes.
And special whiteners to get my teeth their whitest.
Ah, but you're sacrificing fluoride, silly boy.
Close-Up now has fluoride.
What? Fluoride?
Meet new improved Close-Up. And me, Agatha Christie.
Hi.
New improved Close-Up, whiter teeth, fresh breath, and now fluoride.
They're regular cola drinks.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
We want you to taste them.
In side-by-side blind taste tests, Pepsi went up against Coca-Cola. Here's Paul Diamond taking a similar test.
Okay.
Okay, which one did you prefer?
Well, it had a more distinctive, definite taste.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You sure? Tell me what you chose.
Pepsi.
Fact is, in tests like these, nationwide, more people prefer the taste of Pepsi over Coca-Cola.
I'm really impressed. It's a better drink.
You've taken this test. What would your choice be from now on?
Pepsi. Oh, definitely. There's no doubt in the world. And I feel as though I'm very discriminating, and I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. It was worth the hour wait out there. I'm very impressed. You know, until you compare like this, you just don't know.
Don't take our word for it. Let your taste decide. Take the Pepsi challenge.
Do you believe it now that you
I believe it.
I'm Victor Ives for Solid Gold FM 100, finding out why FM 100 is Portland's best radio station.
Solid Gold FM 100 plays the best music.
FM 100 is giving way up to
$1,000 a week just for listening to FM 100.
They play the best of
today's new records and the Solid Gold hits, too.
Join the thousands who are switching to Portland's best.
Solid Gold.
FM 100, KQFM.
Supercuts. We're changing the way America cuts its hair. We're the only ones who do it. A supercut's the finest you'll get anywhere. Every time we do it, more than just a haircut, it's right for you. It's for everyone and the price is too. We're changing the way America cuts its hair. Supercuts, Supercuts.
All eyes are on me when I sing. That's why I've got a dress with zing. With UltraSense, I've got pull.
Introducing UltraSense, the ultra-sensational sheer pantyhose with pull. Some department store pantyhose may pull out of shape, but UltraSense won't. It's always ultra-smooth, ultra-wearable, and you'll look ultra-sensational pull after pull.
It helps my case to be in style when I'm defending at a trial. With UltraSense, I've got pull.
UltraSense, wherever no nonsense is sold.
Discover the power of Jovan Musk Oil for men, Jovan Musk Oil for women. Drop for drop, Jovan Musk has brought more men and women together than any other fragrance in history. Musk Oil, another great fragrance idea from Jovan.
The Crazy Daisy Shave. When you shave with Daisy, you go a little crazy. All you wanna show are your legs. All you wanna show is your smooth, sleek skin. Your Crazy Daisy Shave.
Gillette's Daisy Shaver comes in a new economy 4-pack. Buy 2 packs, get $1 back.
Daisy Twin Blade Shave so nice. Your legs feel like you've shaved them twice. So pick yourself a Daisy and go a little crazy. Show your Crazy Daisy Shave.
Treat you right.
It's a short journey to where everything is pure, smooth, and delightful. And all around, it's light, cool, and creamy.
Come discover the one place where good taste comes through.
Discover the delightful Dairy Queen Sundae.
In the land of Dairy Queen.